Hey traders! March is here and it's bringing a wave of key events that could shake up the markets. Whether you're into Forex, stocks or commodities, these are the dates you need to watch. Let's break it down. Kicking things off on March 3rd, we've got crucial PMI data from China, Eurozone inflation and US manufacturing PMI. These numbers give us a snapshot of global economic health and can set the tone for the month ahead. On March 4th, Australia is making its interest rate decision. Any surprise here could send the Aussie dollar flying, so keep an eye on it. March 6th is a big one for Europe. The ECB will announce whether they're adjusting Eurozone interest rates, followed by a press conference. Expect some serious euro volatility. This is one to watch if you're trading euro pair. Moving to March 7th, China releases its import and export data, giving us insight into global trade dynamics. Later that day, the spotlight shifts to the US labor market with unemployment figures, non-farm payrolls, and wage data. These stats are key indicators of economic strength and can drive big moves into dollar. Fast forward to March 19th, when the Fed will announce its interest rate decision along with economic projections. This is the event for USD traders, followed by a press conference that often adds extra fuel to the fire. And don't forget March 27th, when the US GDP report drops, giving us a full picture of how the economy performed. Plus, on March 28th, we'll get the PCE inflation data, the Fed's favorite inflation measure. So there you have it, March is stuck with opportunities. Stay informed, plan your trades, and be ready to ride the waves of market momentum. Keep it locked here for more updates, and as always, accelerate your trading success.